it's Bonnie. Happy Thursday. I have another organizational video for you guys. I love organizing. It is literally one of my favorite things. I think I could have been a professional organizer. So I actually bought, check it out. I feel like Vanna White here. I bought this. It's called a 360 rotating adjustable cosmetic organizer on Amazon, and there's some pros and cons about this thing. A couple things I like and a couple things I actually don't like. Um, Price wise, it was not an expensive piece. It was only $14.99, and it does come in white and black. Now, the question is it useful? And that's what I'm trying to figure out. I think it is. So it comes in a flat package. When it arrives, what you're going to do is put this thing together. There's two pieces in the center. You slot those together. You attach the bottom and the top, and then you can attach these shelves, and you can adjust the shelf length. And it's kind of interesting because there's these little rings that go on to lock the shelves in place so they don't actually fall out or move. It's a little bit unstable if you pick it up. I would not suggest picking it up. I did that and everything fell off. So I would suggest if you're going to get something like this, you put it where you want it to be, and then you load it up, and then you don't move it at all. So what I like about it is that it rotates. And I got to thinking about my Bath & Body Works minis. I have a lot of minis that I usually pick up at semi-annual sales. And one thing I like about the minis is you can keep a lot of them in one place and switch off on scents really easily. So I remember last year, remember when all of the tropical collection came out in the minis? I remember I bought all of them early on so that I could review them for you guys. So what I thought would be neat about this, because there's 4 compartments, is if there was one compartment for each season. So for example, I've got the Bali Black Coconut Sands, Waikiki Beach Coconut, Bora Bora Citrus Surf, which is that Skittles one, the Fiji Sunshine Guavatini, and then the last one I have is the Bahamas Passion Fruit and Banana Flower. I think there were 6 though. And you can actually put, you gotta kind of arrange them a little bit. There. You can actually put 5 of the mini sprays in here, but then you have to take one out to get to the back one. So that's kind of a con. I don't love that, but it's not bad. So then I thought on the top one here, I would put some of my mini body creams. So I also have the matching body creams. So I thought it would be a cute idea to put the body creams up here. So that way, if I decided I wanted something from the tropical collection, it's all in one place. So I like that. That's what I like about it. So you've got spring. You could technically put some summer stuff, and then fall and winter. So for fall, I have got Golden Sunflower. I don't have a lot of fall pieces. Spring, I do have my Sweet Bunny Berry. I have my Perfect Peony. And then I have a Black Cherry Merlot that came out in the spring. Now, this shelf's a little bit different because on the top, they're in one section, they've got these like holes. So you can put stuff through the top. So I thought that's kind of a neat place to put my Honey Bath & Body Works lip glosses, because I always, where do you put these? I actually had them in this eyeliner lucite case. That's actually not a bad place to put them, but they actually fit fairly nicely here. And then I put a few more of the lip glosses on the shelf, and then the Kitchen Lemon hand cream actually fits perfectly right there. So that kind of works. So we've got spring, we've got fall. Like I said, I don't have a lot of fall sprays. I'm like, I should get some fall sprays. Christmas, I was gonna, on the top, put my body lotion, except you know what? Here's the tricky part. They don't fit. Because you can only slot in one of these sections in an empty spot. So you can't put 2 of them in the same spot. That's kind of a con to that one. So I would have to put my Christmas over here. I'm going to move the fall here because I don't have a lot of fall pieces. So I do have a champagne apple and honey. I have got a vanilla bean Noel. Oh, champagne and apple and honey is fall. What am I doing, you guys? Magic in the air I have. I have a champagne toast. And the two that I've been using are the hot cocoa and cream. I'm going to put that one front and center. And then I'm actually going to put my winter candy apple here. I kind of goofed. It's not a perfect system, you guys. That's what I don't like about it. I like perfection. I have an In the Stars. I'm going to stick that behind there. So in theory, I would love to see each season represented. I don't have that. I do have an empty shelf here. I noticed that the whipped glotions fit perfectly on the shelf. So you can kind of slot these in here. They don't fit perfectly. They stick out a little bit, but they're perfect enough that it doesn't bother me. This rests on the lip. But I do like that it rotates, so if you're looking for something on your dresser, you can kind of scoot it around. On the top, I decided to put my True Blue Spa mango butter. I've got my 60-second manicure, so I have easy access to those. I've got my sleep cracked heel treatment. There's Coco's barking at something. I hope that's my Lush. And then I also have my paraffin super soft hand lotion. So I'm actually going to take this and I'm going to put it on top of the corner of my dresser, and I'm going to see how I like it. I'm going to see if I actually utilize this stuff more than I normally would, if it's like pushed in a bin. I also like the idea that you can kind of swap these out a little bit. So say for instance, if I use up Perfect Peony or I get sick of it, I could take it off and stick another one in there if I got a lot more of the minis. So like I said, I'm going to try this out for a little while and see if I like it. See if it like is useful to me in terms of storing my minis. So that's a storage solution I came up with. I always like trying new things. So anyway, let me know what you think. If you think this would be a neat way to store this stuff, or if you think it would be kind of annoying. Like I said, I like spinning it though. That's one thing I really like. So anyway, thank you so much for watching. I might be back later if my Lush comes. If not, you'll have it probably tomorrow. I'll see you later. Bye bye.